Today, we're tackling a massive Acadiana problem: cloudy, yellow, and totally unsafe vehicle headlights. Look at this night and day difference. Going from a foggy mess to crystal clear is an absolute game changer for safety. Why? Well, Acadiana's relentless sun and brutal humidity bake that ugly, hazy oxidation right onto the plastic. A real pro restoration process always kicks off by taping things up tight to protect your car's paint. Then comes the elbow grease. Heavy, stubborn oxidation requires multiple stages of careful sanding to completely smooth out. Next, a premium product like Meguiar's plastic polish is used to bring that gorgeous, clear lens right back to life. Finally, they spray on a tough 3M clear coat. This tightly seals the lens against future UV damage. Here's the catch, though. That 3M coat needs 24 hours to cure dry, so the weather completely dictates scheduling. Crazy enough, getting these crystal clear results for a standard job usually takes just 30 to 45 minutes total. We gotta keep expectations real, guys. Surface haze is totally fixable, but internal moisture, that means a full replacement. Honest detailers, like 87 Washes, will tell you straight up if your housing is cracked and just needs replacing. Standalone restoration is just $65 for a full set. That's a tiny fraction of buying brand new. Even better, it drops to a super affordable $40 if you tack it onto an existing detailing service. Sure, you could try DIY kits like Cerakote, but hey, 87 Washes can easily fix any botched at-home attempts. The absolute best part, 87 Washes brings this pro mobile detailing straight to your driveway anywhere across Acadiana. So I'll leave you with this question. Isn't it time you finally saw the road clearly and safely again?